Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft remote host error easy and quick. If you want to fix it, first type here device manager, and now go to network adapters and make sure to update all those drivers here one by one. Right click update, right click update, right click update into the last one here. It's easy update, search automatically for drivers, and that's it. Then go to control panel and then go to Java. If you find it like that, just make it small icons and then go to Java. Then go to advanced and scroll down until you find here advanced security settings, and then just turn it on. Click apply and OK, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.